rock you till morning.
Das Bäckerei gibt manche Leckerei. Gibt es Mehl und Milch, mach ein kleines Kind, eine riesengroße Bäckerei. In der Weinbäckerei, in der Weihnachtsbäckerei brauchen wir nicht Schokolade, Honig, Nüsse, Schokolade und ein bisschen Zimt. Das stimmt. Butter, Mehl und Milch verrühren, zwischendurch mal probieren und dann kommt das Ei vorbei. In der Weihnachtsbäckerei gibt es manche Leckerei. Gibt es Mehl und Milch, eine riesengroße Bäckerei. In der Weihnachtsbäckerei, in der Weihnachtsbäckerei. Bitte mal zur Seite treten, denn wir brauchen Platz zu viel. Sind die Finger rein, du Schwein. Denn die Plätzchen, die wir stecken, erstmal auf den Ofen. Warten wir gespannt, 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 verbrannt. In der Weihnachtsbäckerei gibt es manche Leckerei. Gibt es Mehl und Milch, mal ein kleines Kind, eine riesengroße Leckerei. In der Weihnachtsbäckerei, in der Weihnachtsbäckerei. Yeah!
Hey, I have many talents here. I'm not sure you are not getting. You are doing rapping. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Oh my God, you guys will not even give me a beg. Oh guys, that's a clip we just saw now. Was Amarachi and Dogesh. They just came back from school. They are doing rehearsal for the song they gave them from school, because next week they're going to be singing the song in the school for Christmas, before they close school for Christmas. So they were rehearsing it here, normal. Then Amarachi changed it to rapping, It was also entertaining, honestly. They just entertained me this afternoon. But I'm talking about afternoon. If you look at outside, it's so dark. This is some minutes past 4, guys, but it's so dark. We had the snow yesterday, and today is kind of ice. If you are walking, if you did not take time, you're going to see yourself on the floor. It's really cold outside, really cold outside. This is first time I'm on my heater in the kitchen because I cannot take it anymore. It's really cold. Except if I start cooking now, my kitchen will become a little bit, warm. Then I'm going to off it. So today I'm going to prepare like my husband's favorite food. Hey. Like this man love this food. I don't even know whether because of this particular food that I want to show you guys now, that I want to prepare for him, I don't know whether it's among, things that made him to marry me, like honestly, because when it comes to my place, this is the food they know us for. Like among all the villages in my area, like my village, this is the food they know us for. And my husband knew about it because my husband's place and my place is so close. Like you can use leg and walk to my husband, place. It's so close, okay? Yeah. So my husband, I don't know whether it's this food, that contributed for him to come and marry me. And he loved this food like so much. Let me just show you guys. This is one of the meals they know us for in our own village. Yeah. Let me show you guys. So guys, this is the food I'm talking about. This is okwa. They call it breadfruit. When my husband brought it from Nigeria, it's kind of dried, okay? They dried it so that it will stay like longer, yeah. So what I did was yesterday, I soaked it in the water. This is almost like 24 hours. So I have washed it like thoroughly, because what you don't want to express in this okwa is for you to eat and have some sand. Oh my gosh, it's going to discourage you. So make sure that you wash it. Like I wash it more than like 10 times, honestly, because I want all the sand to go out. That is it. So this is corn and this is okwa. Guys, this is optional because this okwa doesn't require like a lot of spices. You can just cook it just like that. It's already enough. But in my village, especially when my mom normally cook it, she normally add like this okwa, okay? Most of the time as well, we add corn, okay? Yeah, and I have here akau. Guys, without this akau, this okwa will stay like forever without getting soft, okay? This akau will help the okwa to get soft like very fast. Then I have fresh pepper here. And this, I'm going to pound it because I don't want that smooth consistency. So that's why I'm going to be pound it. So I have salt here. This is the only things that you need for this food. It doesn't require like plenty ingredients, okay? So right now, I'm going to go ahead and start cooking. And I'm going to be taking you guys along. Stay tuned and enjoy the process, okay, guys?
This ja, ich weiß, aber fast man muss eigentlich nur weiter, also erstmal zurück, weil dann einfach weiter. Und dann bist du da. Dann noch hier. Ja. Und dann noch hier. Schreib den später mal. Das wäre rausnehmen.
I just pour the okra here and then I pour hot water. So what I need to do right now, I'll just go ahead and put the water from the account, okay? Just a little bit. So like this is okay. So make sure that this down one didn't enter there because this one is kind of sand, okay? So I'll go ahead, just turn it and then I will cover it to boil. You don't need to put even salt, okay? Just leave it to boil. Because after this, we're going to remove the water. The water is another delicious meal, okay? So it doesn't require like salt. So after then, before we mix other things, then we'll go ahead and put salt, okay? So cover it and then leave it to boil. This is after like 15 to 20 minutes, okay? I have checked it before and it's already soft, okay, as you can see. Okay, guys, so I'm going to zip it here so I can get some water before I should go ahead and mix other ingredients. Yeah, so this is the water that we got from the okra. Without this water, you cannot enjoy this okra. Like, I love the water more than the okra itself, yeah? So I'll go ahead now and put it aside. So I'll pour this thing back here. So this is time for us to put the corn as well as the oba, okay? But I'm going to be putting like a little bit. I don't want to overwhelm it, okay? Like a little oba. This is the fresh pepper. I think I have put one before. I will have to test to see if the pepper is enough. If it's not enough, then I'm going to put more. This is, guys, this okra is full with protein. Like, this brings that old memories from the village. Don't even mind how this okra is looking, but the main deal is for you to test it and see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be putting more corn. I think this one is not enough, as well as more oba. It's time for me to put a little salt. Like this okra, you don't need to put like too much salt, guys. Just be careful. In Igbo land, like, this food is for big men, okay? And it's not for everyday use, okay? This is just once in a while. This is the end result, and we have the water here. Hey, this is my favorite, this water. This water is the best, okay? Delicious okra is ready. So this is just to test, okay? I just took like a little bit and poured the water inside. Like, this is how I normally eat it when I was in the village. Like, no ajipota for this one. So I have given the kids a little bit and they love it. Like, I was surprised the first time they are testing the okra and they love it, okay? They love it, yeah. So I'll be waiting for my husband to come back from work, and I believe that he's going to enjoy it. Do you know that if my husband wants to yab me, my husband will say, Umuduru ori okra. Like, my village, they call it Umuduru. So you say umuduru ori okwa. So he said that like my village, like umuduru that normally eat like okwa. So that is what he normally used to yab me. I will tell him that is it not because of this okwa that makes you draw you to come to me? Yeah, so that is it, guys. I don't know if my husband come back while eating it. I will video him. My husband don't like camera at all. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next one if my husband allow me to video him. If not, okay, that is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and come and join me, guys. Come, let me give you guys some. So see you guys in my next one. Bye.